Hello! Today I will tell you how you can make more than $80,000 a year using one of the best e-commerce platforms, the Ecwid service. I have been working with this platform for many years. Watch this video to the end to find out 5 life hacks that they don't know about. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it. Let's start.
Hello. Today I'll tell you how you can make more than $80,000 a year by using one of the best e-commerce platforms, the Ecwid service. I have been working with this platform for many years. Watch this video to the end to find out 5 life hacks that they don't know about. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it. Let's start. Ecwid is a SaaS solution for customizing your own e-commerce website. The main feature is that you can take your old site and quickly integrate the Ecwid system within minutes. You can also mirror the system on other sites if you plan to sell elsewhere online. Ultimately, you can manage all of these sites for one centralized location rather than switching between multiple dashboards. And speaking of which, Ecwid provides tons of e-commerce management options. For example, you can add a wide range of products accompanied by their various attributes such as weight, prices, photographs, etc. Then, by setting shipping rates, you can process various cart payments and fulfill orders accordingly. In short, you will be everything that comes with a standard e-commerce platform. All of this can be done in the Ecwid online system via your web browser, but not really. It's also possible to sync Ecwid across multiple devices. As a result, sell on the go from your smartphone. To do this, Ecwid has created its own store management apps for Android and iOS devices. While their functionality may not match what is offered in the web interface, you can rely on apps to edit product attributes, upload electronic products, add product images, sell, and more. This system is also designed to integrate well with social media, so you can sell your items on Facebook if needed. Just set up Ecwid to add your products directly to your Facebook page, and voila! You'll be able to sell and sync each product accordingly. Well, the same goes for the marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Ecwid allows you to export your product catalog to such platforms and then automatically sync sales data when you systematically sell items across multiple channels. However, the most prominent channel should be the Ecwid storefront. Expect Ecwid to revamp your site, turning it into a full-fledged e-commerce showcase with features like in-place payment gateways, a one-page checkout, attractive product layout, product filtering, delivery service integrations, and marketing automation. Another part of Ecwid that we especially love is the delivery aspect. With real-time shipping integration, you are constantly aware of what is happening with your orders and where they are going. Finally, Ecwid recently introduced a new feature called Starter Site. This is a simplified one-page showcase for businesses looking to migrate to Ecwid but have not yet built a website. You can run it on your main Ecwid domain or use your own domain name. However, you can think of Ecwid as a kind of e-commerce widget. And that, in fact, is the main reason why we call it Ecwid in the first place. After pasting in a short HTML code, the whole system basically embeds into the existing website like a normal widget and then proceeds to display your storefront. Apart from apps, Ecwid platform offers 4 plans by default, one of which is completely free. In fact, Ecwid is promoting the free plan quite aggressively, and it assures you that they won't change you at any moment. Well, in my experience with Ecwid, the company continues to stick to its goal of leaving the entire package permanently free. This is where Ecwid stands out, and in case you want to upgrade to a new version, you can bet that premium payment plans won't cost you much. They're all fairly affordable, especially considering the full range of features they offer. However, Ecwid's free plan allows you to sell 10 products, while the venture plan increases your bill to products and you get additional services like an iPhone management app. The business plan, on the other hand, goes up to 2,500 products at a reasonable price, accompanied by live chat support. Priority support, however, is only possible on the unlimited plan, which can also accommodate an unlimited number of products. It hasn't always been easy for business owners to sell their products through social media. However, Ecwid and some other e-commerce leaders decided it was time for social platforms to be more accessible to the masses. Ecwid e-commerce helped businesses of all shapes and sizes to list and sell products across multiple platforms, including Facebook, Snapchat, Pinterest, and Instagram. You can also increase your conversion rate by selling through marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. For example, to sell on Amazon, go to your Ecwid dashboard and click all sales channels. You should see an option to click on Amazon. You can connect directly to Amazon from Ecwid without any third-party services. Just follow the steps in the wizard to learn how to link your accounts. If you want to sell on eBay, the process is easy with Etsy as well. Attracting new customers at a lower cost is critically to the growth of any business, and multi-channel sales can help. With Ecwid e-commerce, you can add your store to any number of marketplaces, sites, and social media platforms, including Google Shopping. Since you may need to import or export product data during inventory management, Ecwid doesn't leave this functionality outside of its inventory management system. You can easily export and import product information in bulk via CSV. Now, the best thing about it is that Ecwid allows you to use up to 25 CSN columns. In other words, you can import multiple products along with 25 with their different attributes, including images, URLs, SKUs, names, variations, etc. However, it turns out that the export function is not limited to your product data. You can also export your customer details as well as bulk order via CSV. There are types of capabilities you need to transfer data to other e-commerce or analytics platforms. All things considered, Ecwid seems to have been created for more than one business approach. It is fully capable of going beyond the standard direct selling product model and supporting dynamic e-commerce sellers. A case in point, if, for example, you are an intermediary between buyers and suppliers, Ecwid can come in handy for dropshipping. But here's the thing. You can best achieve this by integrating the dropshipping app from the Ecwid App Store. Fortunately, there are various options for different types of businesses. While Ecwid proponents are a third-party solution for your current site, it makes a decent attempt to improve your overall SEO position. For starters, you can define your product and SEO page meta descriptions. Then Ecwid will even help you by automatically filling in the appropriate fields beforehand. Unfortunately, you don't get advanced SEO editing options by default. On the other hand, you will usually have to implement additional SEO and marketing tools to really get the word out. Moreover, Google now indexes Ajax sites, so all Ecwid stores are indexed by Google without any extra effort. It gets even better with WordPress sites as you get access to additional SEO plugins and default search engine functionality in the dashboard. Then, when it comes to promotions, Ecwid offers abandoned cart recovery tools as well as bulk discounts, discount codes, and promotional prices. You can set up additional discounts, but this requires integrating the appropriate extensions. Ecwid takes security seriously as the company is a PSI DSS Level 1 certified service provider. In addition, the company declares that every transaction that includes sensitive information is sent over a secure HTTPS channel. This means you can rely on Ecwid to protect your customers' privacy. And just for the sake of clarity, Ecwid doesn't process, collect, or store your customers' payment details. All transactions are preceded directly by your payment processor. Ecwid offers a sales chat feature. This is always one of my favorite ways to communicate with companies. Just send them a request and you can work on something else until they respond. The company also provides a powerful support section with FAQs, a knowledge base, email capabilities, and a forum. In general, support services include phone support, online chat support, and email support to help reduce response times and maintain high quality. In my opinion, the platform has everything you could want in terms of support. Come to think of it, It has never been easier to find an e-commerce platform that doesn't charge transaction fees. But interestingly, this is exactly what you get with Ecwid. They never charge any transaction fees on any of the plans they offer, making Ecwid a desirable e-commerce solution for any store trying to lower costs or improve margins. But here's the thing. Please be aware that Ecwid is not a payment processor. This means that you have to set up something like PayPal or Stripe to process all transactions that come through your site. By the way, it is quite easy to implement any of these systems, as Ecwid integrates with 40 international payment systems. However, it is worth noting that each of these processors has its own payment schedule for transaction. Well, the good news is that there are many decent POS card payment methods out there. Ecwid integrates with Square POS, Clover, Point of Sale, iZettle, and PayPal card readers, allowing Ecwid to turn your store settings both online and offline. While Ecwid is widely regarded as an e-commerce platform, there can be so much more to it. Dynamic sellers looking for a supplement their online stores can create a one-stop shopping platform made up of a variety of online channels as well as regular offline locations. The trick here is to take advantage of Ecwid's POS functionality. It is designed to support offline sales in brick and mortar stores as well as mobile sales. If you're going to take advantage of Ecwid's POS feature, you can purchase a suitable card reader. While online transactions that lack cards are handled by payment processors, in-store transactions are largely facilitated by card processors via card readers.